Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Subscribe for a chance to win a future grand prize. Only among the subscribers that are visible will be there'll be a lottery at some point. All right, we'll show the continue on the problem of Odyssey's air conditioner not working right. Sometimes cooling, sometimes not cooling enough. Although the AC refrigerant is pressurized fully and system has no leak. Sometimes it cools just fine, sometimes it didn't cool, or sometimes it didn't heat at all and just keep cooling. So erratic, that's the right word. Erratic air conditioner. We showed before that if one side is just blowing hot, not cold, other side is cold, then what to do? There's the actuator there, one of the other videos. Now, this is not the case. This is all of them either blowing here hot or blowing cold. Even if it needs heat, it's blowing cold, and vice versa. So there is a part called transistor, I think, air conditioner transistor. So it is it looks like this. This is a brand new one with a huge heat sink here. That means this thing gets heated. So this is a part that controls the automatic climate controls, regulates it, I guess, or even if it's not automatic climate control, air conditioner. So this one is located at the passenger kick panel. This is the driver, this is the passenger. So to access this, just pull this panels out, like this was here. Just pull it out, it'll come off, and this one was there, so pull it, it will come off. Actually, for this one you may have to turn this one a little bit, turn it and then pull it down, undo it. Okay, put them away. Now this is the part I'm talking about. If you can see, I took the screws out. It's held by two 7mm. This is 7mm. So used a ratchet like this, little deep, 7mm, to take this and this screw, and then we disconnect this. So if I pull it out, that's it. So this part is about $30 to $50, and disconnect it, I guess, just up. Probably need two hands, press and then pull. I'll do it in a second. So I took it out. It's a bit tight actually. Let's press it down, also on this side, and pull it out. Now I'm going to put the new one on. To put the new one on, it's always better to put a little bit of silicone grease or so, lubricate it, and I didn't though, I really didn't, and then there you go. So before I put the screws on, I'll make sure that I'll turn the air conditioner and make sure it works out right. Fits fine, looks brand new. It is brand new, and this one cost I think about $40. Don't get the cheapest one, it's not necessarily the best one. they can fail really easily. So AC Delco, Bosch, Denso, Nippon Denso, I think Honda's OEM for some parts. That's better. Okay, let's start the car and see. So this is the air conditioner transistor, I think they call it. Okay, there's the new one hanging there. We're gonna put it back and finish it. All right, thanks for watching. So with the new replaced transistor, it's working fine so far, and I hope that was the problem. And what happened is that little actuator on the driver's kick panel right here, there's the vent control. I don't know if you can see that there's a little right above this green, there's the vent, white vent. Hard to see. Just remember this green control right above it. I think those white track there. So that was not moving right. Now it's moving fine. Before there would be a before the transistor replacement, there was a popcorn sound, but it didn't work. Now it's working fine. Hope this helps.